How to add typing languages in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open the Windows tab and click on the settings from here, and then you have to click on the time and language settings, and then click on the language and region settings from here, and then you can see there's the option called add a language option, preferred languages. You just have to click on add languages, and let's say I will add the Spanish language. So first, for that I have to type Spain or Spaniel, and let's say I will just install it. So you'll just click on install. So it says you're on a meter connection and some languages features can't be downloaded, and let's say you have to click on the language pick from here and click on install, and after clicking on it, it will now download the language from online and install it on your PC, and then you can use it to type any documents. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.